Hi guys, you are highly welcome to Roving YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo, how to design a logo like this. That is so amazing. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. You will get the understanding of how to design a logo like this. It is very simple and amazing. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That is Rofinga YouTube channel. If you are a channel owner and it doesn't have a logo, your channel will not get the recognized subscribers and viewers. YouTube may not be able to recommend your channel to other people. So having a logo in your channel is very important. That is why, as a heavy YouTuber, I've brought you this tutorial today. Please stay tuned till the end of this video, and don't forget to share this video to other people to also learn how to create a logo like this. You can create your own logo like this. You can learn a lot from this designing a logo. So we are going into the tutorial now. Thank you for watching. So you open your Pixellab. This is the interface that you are looking at is a Pixellab app. So you open it like this, click in the middle, it will come here, take object, take this circle one, that's it. So that is how it is. You extend it to the level that you want, and now you click good or okay, and now you go to colors. You go to colors, take black color like this. You take black color like this, that is okay. So you are to go to object again or shapes. You have to go to shapes. Sorry for this. You have to go to shapes and bring another circle or another overlay. So you center this one. Okay. So you go to shapes. You take circle. You put this one in the middle. Adjust it and put it in the middle. So adjust it like this. Now you come to center. Now come to center. Yes, you are adjusting it. That's it. Let's go to center, and then you put it in center in both sides. So this one and then this one. That's okay. So we have to click on shapes again. We have to click on shapes again. Take a circle one. Take circle one. Give it opacity and give it stroke so that you get another line outside this two. So you give opacity and then stroke, adjust it nicely to get the desired shape that you want. So as you get this one, you click OK and come to center, and then you put it in the center. So that is great. So as we have done like this, what we need to go to shapes again to take a rectangle, adjust it nicely like this, and then take a small stroke and add. So when you add the stroke, you now adjust it to the center. Adjust it to the center. You now adjust it to the center. You now adjust it to the center. That is so amazing. You adjust to the center. Okay. So I'll adjust it to the center. Okay. Now we'll go and bring the logo of YouTube. We will go and bring the logo of YouTube from our gallery. This is the logo we picked. So we are going to put the logo in the center of the YouTube logo in the center like this. So you click and adjust to the center. That's great. So now we are going to add text. We're going to add text. The text color must be white. We are going to add text to the logo. The text color must be white. So you can also type your design name there. also type your design name there. So as you type the alphabet ladder, you now going to take font. We are now going to take font. We are now going to take font. We are now going to take font. When you take font, you now bend it. Go to bending and now bend it to fit the space. Bending and fit the space. And bending and fit the space. Now go to bending and fit the space. So that is okay. So you now copy that same text so that you have the same font and the same size. You know it. And bend it again this way. That is so great. That is so great. So you can add the text or you leave it that way. So this place should be your slogan. This place should be your slogan. This is your slogan. Either the channel name or your slogan. It should be this place should be your slogan or channel name. That's it. Subscribe and share this video. So I want it to be. So if you don't want it to be like this, you can change it. That is great. Okay. So like, subscribe, comment this video. Thank you for watching to Pixellab Media. Thank you for watching to open the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching open the YouTube channel. So if it is you reduce the size, you reduce the size of the text to fit into the shape, the logo. So we are still arranging the logo this place. You can put your slogan. Okay. Now we merge all of them. You click on this one and merge all of them. So you see that you have merged all the activities that you have done, and it is now one. So what we need to do now is to add another shape so that we'll merge it again so that it will be complete. Okay, and that's it. Now you go to choose and remove background. Yeah, this one is a mistake that I've done, so I'm not supposed to, but you see what will happen before. Oh, okay, mistake. You have removed the background. Yeah, you are still welcome to Roofing a YouTube channel. So now we merge the shape and then the logo. Okay, so now you go to texture. Go to your gallery and add the texture layers. I'll be leaving this one at the description section. So whether you increase the texture or you leave the texture. So that is how it is. Thank you for watching to Roofing a YouTube channel. So we now come to layers and you know what you have to do. You shouldn't let it to be high, you shouldn't let it to be low too. So that is how it is. So thank you for watching Roofing a YouTube channel. So we are finishing now. You adjust this effect. So you adjust it nicely. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. You'll get the understanding of everything. So after you have adjusted to the point that you like, you now go to gallery and bring your background. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to Roofing the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Open your YouTube channel. So you have gone to test here. Adjust it nicely to meet their desired level that you are looking for. That is so great. So that's okay. So now we go and bring the background of your game. So extend it like possible.